giving them some protein. You know, most of any kind of chicken feed you buy doesn't really have enough protein in it by itself. And I let them free range for insects to get more protein, and I give them mosquito fish and black soldier fly larvae and stuff. But it's winter time, or almost. I don't know what it's December or something. And it's harder to find them grasshoppers and stuff, so I'm gonna just boost the protein up a little bit and give them some deer burger. Hens normally have better pathfinding skills than roosters. He'll figure it out. That hen right there, there's 2 or 3 hens that still don't want to accept the new hens. Come on now. Oh, I know why he's outside the pen. This is the newest rooster, and he ain't got any real allies, except me, I guess. And they don't want to let him eat. They want to keep him weak. Hey, you trying to run in there? They gonna try to keep you from returning in the chicken pen. Yeah, I'll get the roosters out your way so you can come back again. He's trying to fly in here so he can fly in and get somewhere away from the other roosters. You better get you some of that burger. You better get some before it's all gone.